The dustbin should be cleaned after every vacuuming session. To access the dustbin, first quickly press the left button on the base station and remove the robot.
Exiting home, please keep the space clear.
Open the top cover and remove the dustbin and the hook cutter. Open the dustbin and empty it in the trash. Remember to pull the dust filter from the bin and clean it with a hook cutter. Put the filter back in the bin with the top side up. Close the bin and clean the dust filter at the back of the unit. Uninstall the vacuuming module, then use the hook cutter to clean up any hair on the side brushes. Then put the hook cutter and the dustbin back in the robot.